Good morning.
Hi there.
Hi there. So we're taking a walk in the rain. It's day whatever of our holiday.
Day 4.
Day 4, and it is raining, to say the least. So, but we're walking down this hill.
Oh,
Look, there's fuchsias there.
oh, isn't it lovely? A little Christmas tree underneath.
So we're walking down this path into the woods.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Steep.
Yeah, it's quite steep. So we might see a waterfall. We're not sure actually if there is a waterfall down here. It's the second part of the path that we did yesterday, isn't it?
Yes, it's the other side of the road.
Yeah. So I'm going to take my hood down because I can't
Oh
see
yeah, because it's the rain's not getting us in here, is it?
No, there's so many trees. Oh. It is beautiful, but if you look up there, look, you can see how lovely those trees are. Beautiful, look, you can go right down there.
Stunning, look at this place.
It's like a twisty, windy little path.
Oh, I've got a bit of a weird angle.
That's a cracking tree, isn't it? It is incredibly wet. There's so much wet. Alex is taking photographs. I like that ivy actually, I might get that photo.
No. I like the way the light hits that.
What do you think to it?
I just love this place. Look at it, it's magical.
So this is an absolutely stunning place. I've never known, like a fairy glade. It really is. It's just absolutely beautiful. And look at this. This is just stunning. A little waterfall. We are in. This is the fairy grotto. It is absolutely. There's a little waterfall behind us. It's chucking it down with rain. And there's all little tiny.
Well, I wouldn't say tiny. Some of them are quite big. Look at sculpture type things.
Sculptures and the birds are tweeting.
Oh, it's absolutely magical.
It really is a magical place.
Yeah.
We're going to walk down a bit now and see where else it goes.
Yes.
This has got to be the best. This is going to be the best.
Well, I don't know. See what other surprises there are.
Yeah, but this is the best we've been to so far, isn't it?
Little secret places.
Hi there. Are you coming up this way? It's a bit of a dead end. I think we should go back on the road.
Yes.
He's definitely seen better days. Oh, look at that bell.
Nice sound.
It is a nice sound, isn't it? No. No. We've come back up off the beach. We're now, oh look at that little grotto down there.
I love these. What are they?
What? These are ferns. Oh, these?
Oh,
Yeah, they're really old. My granddad used to tell me about them.
what are they? Yeah,
So all we've got to do is get, no, we have to get,
yeah.
oh, that's the wrong way. Yeah.
And then back across.
Okay, that's over there.
From the,
then.
yeah. We are here.
Yes.
So, oh, we'll need to go over there. So if we go up there, join the path that we were at yesterday,
Yeah.
and then come down, and then back down to the tea rooms and across the road, and then we're there.
The wee tea room.
Oh, the wee tea room. Otherwise we have to go down, all the way down, and it's just, no, it's too much.
We've just met a really lovely fella in the woods who's he's responsible for maintaining all these tracks and everything, and he said that there's lots of diseases. There's like ash dieback and a few others he mentioned. But he said that the trees, they're all dropping all their needles. He said the problem is that it's so humid in here that fungus thrives, and that's what causes the diseases, which is a real shame. We might have to lose hundreds and hundreds of trees.
80% of the forest.
80%. Yeah, so it's a bit sad. But look at that tree. That's my hand. Look at the size of it. It's a monster leaf, that, isn't it?
Oh.
Wait, how did you get on with your walk? Oh yeah. 3.31 miles.
3.17 miles.